mountains and during the afternoon hours. There is some uncertainty going through the weekend, but a drying and warming trend is projected into early next week. The official National Weather Service forecast for northeast Washington and north Idaho, including the cities of Spokane,
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Snowing here?
Yeah, but that doesn't change this. Look.
Alright, KXLY time.
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Alright, time to get it off KREM 2.
The more time I want to spend with you.
They always delay it, I heard.
Courageous.
And I heard that KREM 2 has a really bad EAS system, but oh well. It's the only idea I have for a station now on TV.
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
And I see him, I'm like, what up, Mike? Hey, and he shook my hand and he squeezed it real hard. He was like, you have a good day. Oh, really? I don't think it was that. Oh, no.
The question for you ladies is, has anyone ever been upset with you for making a joke? No, I'm not famous enough for that. I live for the day when what I say matters.
What about you, Alfred?
No, I'm sure people...
One thing, I don't really talk about celebrities so much. Yeah, I just don't have the... Like, I feel like there's material, but I'm not closer to other people, and I do tell stories, and I kind of just ignore them.
Ecats was right. KREM 2 does have a bad EAS system. You guys heard the thing, right? Like, the show... You can still hear the show in the background of the EAS alert.